3 people have been admitted at Chuka County Referral Hospital in Tharaka-Nithi County in serious condition after feasting on meat from a cow suspected to have been infected with anthrax. At least 10 others have been treated at various health facilities. Derek Gedenji from Mideru village says one of his hands started swelling after slaughtering a sick cow. A retired veterinary officer advised him to bury the cow's intestines and feast on the meat on December 23rd. And Mbaka from Dagani area says he came into contact with blood as he was also skinning a sick cow. His hand and other body parts started swelling and he was rushed to hospital where he was admitted and operated on. According to the county health director, people are still eating meat from sick animals, and he said that the Department of Agriculture recently conducted an animal immunization exercise, but very few farmers availed their livestock.
Akasituambia tutupe hiyo nyama ya lali yote, kula ya mwili sio mbaya. Ikiwezekana ng'ombe ikipata shida ya ugonjwa huko ni safi, afadhali machifu wanajulishwa na serikali. Ukiwa na ng'ombe wako kama ako na ugonjwa, afadhali daktari mwenyewe aitwe angalie hiyo ng'ombe kama inafaa kuchinjwa, kama inasikwa ikiwa namna hiyo ama inachinjwa. Lakini watu walisafi wanafurahia ile nyama kwa sababu hata wanauziwa bei rahisi tu.